The bronze-winged statue at Ball State University, named Beneficence, is surrounded by 5 ornate columns.
Welcome to Ball State University's residence halls.
Inside the 8-story brick Mish Hurst Residence Hall, the dorm rooms are furnished with wooden furniture.
If you plan on lofting your bed in Neuer, Mish Hurst, or Woodworth, then this video may be helpful. Before you begin rising or lowering your bed, you must first check out a wrench from the front desk.
An undergraduate desk clerk staffs the front desk at Mish Hurst Hall. 2 dorm mates undertake the task of lofting the bed.
To begin the process, first remove the mattress and place it out of the way. Also, make sure all items are removed from underneath the bed. Using the wrench, unscrew the bolts connecting the bed frame to the post.
Using the wrench, the student unscrews the hex bolts.
There are 4 bolts on each side. Pull out or lightly tap on the back of each bolt to remove them from the post. Now, insert the bolts into the 2 holes above the lower ones.
The student slides the bolt into the bed frame's relevant holes.
If you are lofting your bed, you only need to do this to 1 bed post.
The students connect the metal bed frame to the sturdy end pieces.
Next, align the bed frame with the bolts. Now tighten the bolts to securely fasten the bed frame onto the post. With help from a friend, lift both sides of the bed frame and set the end without a bed post on top of the desk.
One student sets the bed frame on top of the desk shelf, while the other holds it steadily on the opposite side.
Take the bed post that is not being used and fasten it to the bottom of the other bed post. Some beds may have pins that are already built in, but others may require pins from your hall desk to be sure that your bed is securely fastened.
The pin bolts in the underside of the upper bed frame slide into the end piece on both sides of the lower frame.
Align the holes on the top of the desk with the holes on the bottom of the bed frame. Use the unused bolts from the other bed post to secure the frame to the top of the desk.
The bed frame is aligned horizontally onto the top of the desk shelf and the combined end pieces.
Finally, replace your mattress. Now enjoy the extra space in your room.
A logo appears: Ball State University, Housing and Residence Life. For help with lofting your bed, visit your hall desk or place a maintenance work order at bsu.edu/fixmyhome. Text: Housing plus social media. Ball State University, Housing and Residence Life.